Okay, so the bike is on and I'm gonna toggle the menu button up arrow until I see heated grips. Then I push on the up arrow until the heated grips blinks, as you can see, and then you can toggle up for high, medium, or low. If you want low, you push to the right at 3 o'clock and hold it for enter, and now you have low. If you want to change it, you toggle again to heated grips, hold the up button down, up arrow, to low, toggle to off or high, go to 3 o'clock position and enter, and hold it down. That's a lot easier than typing.